Hi guys, it is BNP Recreation YouTube channel. I am Mr. BN Patel, your English tutor and language advisor. In my last video, I taught you regarding how singular nouns are changed into plural nouns. I inculcated you the most important and routine 10 rules with plenty of examples. They were given to you. I am now very happy because you have asked me so many doubts regarding the changes. So I am encouraged inside and you are supporting for the further videos. I am sure that I make you English grammar and language so easy, but keep watching all my videos and follow all the rules regularly and repeatedly. You witness it, apply them in your grammatical activities, don't forget them. I hope this video to help you immensely and make ease. And I think you are learning towards known to unknown things in the English language. Okay friends, if you like this video, witness completely, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel by pressing bell icon and see the further videos. They are very useful for you and in order to attend the board exams confidently. Let us start the video about the noun, the gender. The gender, very well. We know that living beings are of either the male or the female animal or sex. All animals have names, so they are studied under nouns. Let us see the question, what is gender? Gender is a noun that denotes either male or female animal. Now, among the gender, there are so many kinds of genders. Among them, first one is a masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, third one is a neuter gender, and last one is common gender. Let us see the first one, masculine gender. What is masculine gender? A noun that denotes a male animal is said to be of the masculine gender. This gender means genus. In Latin language, it means kind or sort. Examples see here, man, son, father, uncle, dog, boy, peacock, etc. These are all the masculine gender examples. Let us pass on to the next one. Next kind is a feminine gender. What is feminine gender? A noun that denotes a female animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Examples, same. Man changes into woman, daughter, mother, aunt, bitch, girl, peon, etc. These are all showing feminine in nature. These are called feminine gender. Let us pass on to the third one, that is a neuter gender. Then what is the neuter gender? A neuter gender is a noun that denotes a thing without life, that is neither male nor female. Is said to be of the neuter gender. Examples you see, pen. Pen is not a male or female. Pencil, knife, house, bat, ball, etc. These are always neuter things. So these are not masculine or feminine. Let us pass on to the last kind, that is common gender. What is common gender? Then you see, a common gender denotes either a male or female is said to be of the common gender. Examples, parent. Parent word is not a masculine or feminine gender. It can be used for the both. That's why it is a commonly used word. Such words are many in English language. Examples, baby, players, doctor, teacher, friend, cousin, pupil, etc. See how the genders are always changed in the English language. Let us see the title here, ways of forming the feminine gender of nouns. Here we have three rules. First rule is by adding ESS to the masculine gender, they become feminine gender. How means see the examples, witness properly. Priest changes into priestess. How it changed? Only we are adding ESS to the first one. First one is a masculine. It changes into feminine. like this: priest, priestess, poet, poetess, host, hostess, count, countess, hare, heiress, lion, lioness, author, authoress, shepherd, shepherdess. In this rule, what we have seen, only by adding ess they become easily feminine gender. Sometimes the form is slightly changed before adding ess, added after dropping the vowel of the masculine gender. How once again they became the feminine gender? Let us see now. Observe all these examples carefully. First example is like this: actor is a masculine gender, actress is a feminine gender. How this actor is changed into actress? By changing the inside vowel only. Prince, princess, conductor, conductress, enchanter, enchantress, instructor, instructress, hunter, huntress, abbot, abbess, tiger, tigress, negro, negress, traitor, traitress, emperor, empress, murderer, murderess, sorcerer, sorceress, etc. In this way, we have seen by adding es's how they are changing into feminine gender. Let us pass on to the certain exceptional cases in the same rule. See, observe here first one: hero changes into heroine, lot of changes here. Sultan changes into sultana. Sultan is a masculine, sultana is a feminine. Czar is a masculine, Zarina is the feminine. Sinor in a Spanish language is a masculine, Sinora is a feminine. Fox is a masculine, Vixen is a feminine. Administrator, masculine, administratrix is a feminine, etc. Let us pass on to the second rule. By using an entirely different words in English language as, observe carefully all these examples. Lord is a masculine, it changed into lady, feminine, entirely different words are here. Lord become lady, Lord is masculine, lady is feminine. Boy, girl, entirely different. Brother, sister, buck, doe, bull, cow, bullock, heifer, hart, roe, husband, wife, king, queen, horse, mare, man, women, monk, nun, cock, hen, colt, filly, daddy, mummy, nephew, niece. Once again you observe here carefully further things: papa, mama, ram, eve, dog, bitch, sir, madam, earl, countess, father, mother, stag, hen, uncle, aunt, gander, goose, wizard, witch, gentleman, lady, etc. These are all followed the second rule. Second rule what says? By using an entirely different words, changing into masculine to feminine gender. Let us pass into the last rule, that is the third rule. By placing a word before or after as to make a compound word. See, in English language also so many compound words are there. They are also nouns. Milkman is a masculine, milkmaid is a feminine gender. Similarly, gentleman, gentlewoman, peacock, peahen, man servant, woman servant, landlord, landlady, grandfather, grandmother, he bear, she bear, stepfather, stepmother, etc. In this way, today we have followed all the rules here. That's why these rules will help you a lot for understanding how the genders are changed in English language. If you like my video and subscribe to my channel, the same video will be in the Kannada language or Kannada language version also. Please do witness it. Okay friends, bye, see you.